Hey, English learners! Your cozy place to learn easy English through real life conversations and upgrade your life at the same time. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake. We're really happy you're here today. Whether you're walking, driving, cooking, or pretending to work while actually listening to this podcast, we're glad you joined us.
Okay, Jake, before we sound smart and serious today, I want to start with a quick question, and everyone listening should answer honestly.
Uh-oh, when you say be honest, I feel like we're about to expose everyone.
Maybe just a little. Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning and suddenly you become amazing at one new skill. Just one. No struggle, no stress. You open your eyes and boom, you have that skill.
Wow, I love this idea already.
But here's the twist. You can't choose confidence, you can't choose money, and you can't choose everything.
Wow, you just removed 90% of the answers people would choose.
I'm protecting the comment section from chaos.
Fair enough. Okay, if I had to choose one skill, I would choose public speaking. I want to speak smoothly without my brain doing that Windows loading circle.
Oh my goodness, yes, that moment when your brain starts buffering.
Exactly. You want to talk, but inside your head, it's like loading, error.
I think many people listening feel exactly the same way. But now let's ask our listeners something important. What skill would you choose?
Just one skill. Think about it for a moment.
And notice something interesting. Your answer doesn't just show what you want, it also shows what you're afraid of.
That's true. And actually, I think many people listening right now might be thinking something else.
Let me guess. They're thinking, I don't have one skill I want, I have 10.
Exactly. Maybe you want to learn coding, design, marketing, business, start a YouTube channel, improve your English, get fit, read more books, and also become a calm person who meditates every morning.
Yes, the perfect morning routine with a healthy smoothie and a peaceful sunrise.
But then you look at your life and you start wondering, why do I feel stuck even though I'm interested in everything?
That feeling is actually very common today, especially because the world of work is changing so fast.
Yes, AI, new technologies, remote jobs, everything is changing quickly. People are asking big questions like, what should I learn? What skills will matter in the future?
And when you have many interests, it can create something called uncertainty.
Uncertainty means you're not sure what will happen next. The future looks cloudy and unclear.
Exactly. It's like driving in fog. The road might be there, but you can't see it clearly.
And when people feel that fog, they often start thinking something is wrong with them.
But usually nothing is wrong. They just don't have a clear map yet.
And when you don't have a map, your brain does something very sneaky.
What does it do?
It starts calling comfort progress.
Oof, that one hurts.
Think about it. You watch educational videos and say, I'm learning.
You buy an online course and say, I'm changing my life.
You buy a brand new notebook and say, this is my fresh start.
And of course, you choose the perfect pen for your new life.
Exactly. But the problem is, you still haven't started practicing.
You're preparing and preparing, but not actually doing.
And when you have many interests, you try to keep all of them alive at the same time.
Which means you spread yourself too thin.
That phrase means you try to do too many things at once, so none of them gets enough attention.
It's like having 10 plants, but only one small bottle of water.
Each plant gets 2 drops of water.
And then you're surprised that your room doesn't look like a green jungle.
Exactly.
Then people say things like, I'm not consistent, or I'm bad at finishing things.
But maybe the problem isn't the person.
Maybe the problem is the plan.
So today, we want to give you a simple idea that might help organize your thinking.
Many people talk about 3 skill shapes: I-shaped, T-shaped, and M-shaped.
These shapes help describe how your skills are organized.
An I-shaped person is someone who goes very deep in one skill.
For example, a specialist doctor, a programmer, or an accountant.
They focus on one thing and become extremely good at it.
Then we have T-shaped people.
They have one deep skill, but they also understand other related areas.
For example, a designer who also understands marketing and coding.
They can communicate with different teams.
And finally, we have M-shaped people.
These people have more than one strong skill,
Maybe someone is good at programming and communication,
or teaching and content creation.
or design and marketing.
The key idea is not having 10 random skills.
It's having a few strong skills that connect together.
And this is where the word generalist appears.
A generalist is someone who understands many areas.
But being a generalist only works if you can explain your value clearly.
Exactly. If you just say, I like many things, that's not a career story.
You need to show how your skills connect.
For example, I combine teaching and content creation to help people learn difficult ideas easily.
Or, I combine programming and design to build better digital products.
That kind of explanation is very powerful in job interviews.
Now we should talk about something many people are thinking about these days.
AI?
Yes.
AI is like that quiet person sitting in the corner of every meeting.
And people are wondering, will AI take my job?
But here's something important to remember.
AI is fast at tasks.
But humans are good at connecting ideas.
Humans understand emotions.
Humans solve messy, real-life problems.
That's why people who are versatile can be very valuable.
Versatile means flexible. You can adapt and do different kinds of tasks.
But versatility needs structure.
Otherwise, it just becomes noise.
So, what do many multi-interest people actually need?
One solid base.
One main skill.
That's where specializing becomes important.
To specialize means going deep into one field.
Think of it like having a home base.
You can explore other interests, but you always have a place you return to.
Many people are afraid of choosing one path.
They think they will lose their other interests.
But choosing one direction doesn't destroy your interests.
It organizes them.
Exactly.
So here's a simple system we like to use.
3 parts.
First, one main track.
This is your main skill.
For example, programming, teaching, marketing, design.
Second, one supporting skill,
This skill strengthens your main track.
like communication, writing, leadership, or design.
And third, one bridge skill.
This helps you connect to opportunities.
For example, networking, content creation, or using AI tools.
So instead of 10 random interests,
You build one strong system.
one main track and 2 supporting peaks.
And here's our challenge for listeners.
Try this idea for the next 90 days.
Choose your main skill
Choose one supporting skill,
and one bridge activity.
then practice consistently.
Not perfectly,
Just consistently.
because progress comes from commitment,
Commitment means staying with something long enough to see results,
even when it feels boring.
even when it feels slow.
Because careers are built by finishing things.
Not just starting them.
And if you ever feel confused again,
Remember the buffet example.
life offers many interesting options.
But the goal isn't to take everything.
The goal is to build a plate that makes sense.
One step at a time.
So now we want to hear from you.
Write one sentence in the comments.
I have many interests, but my main focus right now is...
We read your comments, and they inspire other learners too.
All right, that's all for today.
This is Jake.
And this is Anna.